Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the steps you need to take to get started with affiliate marketing today. If you haven't yet seen my last video, please go check it out. It describes what exactly affiliate marketing is, why it is important today, and why it is important to have multiple sources of income coming into your household, especially in today's day and age where there's no such thing as job security out there. I know a lot of people are struggling. A lot of people are living paycheck to paycheck, or not even that. So today we're going to be talking about the steps that you need to take to get started with affiliate marketing. So please click that subscribe button below so that you don't miss any future videos as well that will be going more in depth into these steps. Let's get started. So step number one, you need to pick a niche. A niche is just essentially a category, right? So you need to stick to something that you can talk about, something that you know about, either products you use on a daily basis or a hobby of yours. For an example, I am a fisherman and I love the outdoors, so I'm an affiliate for Bass Pro. Right? During the summer, when I'm going to be out on the water, I'm just going to be taking YouTube video or GoPro videos of the equipment that I use, and I'm going to be directing people to BassPro.com to buy them. That's an example of a niche. Okay, so once you have a niche figured out, next thing you need to do is pick a product. Right, so here's just an example of some of the companies out there that do have affiliate programs. Again, I am an affiliate for Bass Pro, so I will be using products in the fishing category because that's the niche that I'm going to be picking. Apple also has their own affiliate program, so maybe you listen to a ton of music. If you've ever referred anybody to iTunes to buy a song, you know, you can make a commission off of that. For anyone out there who does their makeup on a daily basis, Sephora has their own affiliate program. You know, the beauty industry is always booming. Maybe you're in the construction industry. Home Depot has their own affiliate program. There's lots of companies out there that have their own affiliate programs. Just go to Google, type in a company name, and type an affiliate program next to it, and chances are they have them. Now, I'm not saying every single company in the world has an affiliate program, but a majority of them do nowadays because, quite simply, they want people shopping on their online platform versus their competitors. Another area that you can check out is a site called Clickbank. You just have to sign up for it. It is free to sign up. And then you can see here that you can just pick from a niche. So say you're into health and fitness, you can just click on health and fitness, and here's a bunch of products that you can start promoting today. And here's what they pay per sale. This is what you get. This is your commission that you would get per sale. Okay, so step three, you need to build a sales funnel, which is just a type of website, right? So I recommend you use ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a very easy to use, like super user-friendly, guys, way to build a website. I just use them because they are so easy. So here's just an example of one of my sales funnels. So for example, I promote the 15-day challenge on TikTok and YouTube, as well as Facebook and Instagram. Guys, there's unlimited ways of, well, not unlimited, but there are so many ways out there that you can promote the products that you're using, right? So here's an example of what it looks like when you hop in. You can edit anything from putting in your own pictures, videos, your own logo, and then buttons, you know what I mean? There's tons of things that you can do on here. Again, it is super user friendly. So I'm just gonna show you what it looks like is if you were to go to the site itself. So say you came from TikTok, I'm promoting the 15-day challenge. I just promote the 15-day challenge, guys, because this is where I started. Okay, so it was $7 to start. That's why I started with this. Right? It just made sense. There's programs out there that cost thousands, guys. So I mean, I wasn't willing to spend thousands on something I really didn't know about. $7 I was willing to say goodbye to if it didn't pan out for me. So I'll post a link in this description below. Again, you can put your Facebook group, YouTube group. So you just click on the 15-day challenge. Say you came from TikTok, you wind up on that page, click on the 15-day challenge. Here's the next step in my funnel, which is just an email gathering stage in your funnel, right? This is what an email list is affiliate marketers probably greatest asset. So say if you're promoting stuff for Bass Pro, or if you're promoting stuff in the beauty industry, if you have other things relating, okay, this is very important, relating to what these people signed up for, then you can send them further emails in the future, right? So I mean, if you have somebody coming from the Sephora that, you know, this is why they signed up, they were interested in buying something from the Sephora website, and then further down the line you send them something on phishing, you know, they're not going to like that, and they're probably going to block your email as spam, right? So you got to stick to the categories as to these people signed up for, right? So you get their name, you get their email, and then they make it to the next step in the funnel, which will be, just bear with me for a second here. I don't see a point in entering my own name and email here, so I'm just going to show you what the second page of the funnel looked like. So say if they did enter in their name and their email, they wind up on the last page of the funnel, which is a thank you page, right? You're thanking them for their time, for you know, taking an interest in your journey and what you're trying to teach them or show them or sell them. And then they wind here, they watch the little quick thank you video, and then they click next, and here's the 15-day challenge. Now it's out of my hands. Legendary Marketer knows that I sent them here, so if they proceed and they purchase the 15-day challenge for $7, I make a commission on it, right? So that's the next step. You need to create a sales funnel. Okay guys, and now for the last and final step, you're going to be promoting. Now how do you get your links out there, right? You don't just want to spam your links everywhere that you see, right? So you need to be creating value added content, guys. You need to give a reason you need to figure out a problem, right, in the industry that you're promoting. So if you're promoting the 15-day challenge like I am right now, you know, the issue out there right now is that in today's day and age, unfortunately, there's no such thing as job security. A lot of people are in bad ways because of the pandemic. Unfortunately, a lot of people are out of a job. A lot of people are living paycheck to paycheck, or not even that. So the problem is that there's not enough money coming into your household. So you're going to solve their problem by showing them solutions, right? So solution for me in this particular niche is the 15-day challenge. This will teach you how to be an affiliate marketer. Again, I will be posting the link to that in the description below. And that can show you how to start being an affiliate marketer and how to start making some passive income online today. The point is to have multiple sources of income, right? So again, if you're on my TikTok, you know, you can just click on the link. I have the link there. That's how you're going to be promoting. And then they just wind up here, right? Which is my site, where they wind up, right? Which I've already shown you these steps, right? And then if they click on anything else, they'll be directed to my Facebook or my YouTube, which I'm just currently building, as you can tell from this video. And these are all sources of what's called organic traffic, right? It's free to me. It doesn't cost anything for me. You know what I mean? So it just makes sense to do because TikTok is huge right now. YouTube is huge. It's always been. You know, Instagram, Facebook, those are all ways of organic traffic. You can get your links out there that way. You can create content and start promoting products that way. There's also the other route, which is paid traffic, which is pretty self-explanatory, right? Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Yahoo ads, you know, Google ads, any ads that you can really think of. That's the paid traffic route, right? So, and those do generate as well, but I recommend you start with the organic traffic route because it's free. It doesn't cost you anything, right? And then once you start building, once you start making some passive income, you take that money that you've earned and you reinvest it into further knowledge. Maybe you learn about how to do ads or something along those lines, right? And then guys, then it's passive income. The beauty about passive income is it all rolls in while you're not actively doing it, right? So in a nutshell, guys, that's pretty much it. I will be coming out with more videos going over each step individually, tutorials on how to use everything. So guys, don't miss out. Click that subscribe button below so you don't miss a thing, because this is a very quick growing industry right now. It's currently at a $12 billion industry. Every company out there is starting their own affiliate programs. So it doesn't matter what really you enjoy in life. If you have a hobby or you use products on a daily basis, this is something that's for you. You just have to be consistent and you have to put in 1 to 2 hours every day. Yes, guys, you're building a business. Yes, this takes time and effort. Shocker, right? But hey, it's better than just sitting on the couch watching Netflix every day and spending money on subscriptions versus bringing money into the household, right? That's what this is. That's the importance of having multiple sources coming into your house, right? Because that's what this is about. This is just one of many things you can do out there online today. The world's biggest market is at your fingertips, guys. It's at your fingertips. Get a piece of your pie. Right, so again, click the subscribe button below. I will post my Facebook group there as well. Please join it so that I can further help you with any questions that you have. Check out my TikTok. Again, everything will be posted below. So good luck out there, guys, and I'll be seeing you in future videos.